Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the interactive widgets on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new interactive widgets option on the iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, this is going to be pretty easy because all we need to do in order for us to enable this is to go ahead and proceed with long pressing on your screen. So if you want to go ahead and edit the widgets on here, let's just go ahead and click a long press on our home screen and let's tap on the plus icon to add some widgets. As you see, we are going to have a lot of different widgets available, so all we need to do is to choose the specific application that we want to have widgets of on our home screen. In this case, I might just choose the clock option. I can also choose a lot of different options under that, like City 1, City 2, Clock 1, basically other designs of clocks, and other time zones as well on our world clock. So in this case, I'm going to choose the world clock option. And this is going to be interactive by basically tapping on this option, and as you see, be redirected to the clock application. You could also do the same as well with other widgets and with widgets on your lock screens. So to do it on your lock screen, go ahead and do the same with long pressing on your screens, tapping on customize, tapping on your lock screen, and then let's tap on this option to add some widgets. As you see, the same widget list is going to show, and also multiple applications we could actually use to add some widgets on our screens is also going to show as well. That's all for this video, guys. Just tap on done. Once you're done, tap on the specific lock screen, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.